Honestly, this car feels way more luxurious than the price point says.
Alright, what's going on, guys? This is Joshua from Patrick Hyundai again. Today we're going to be talking about what surprises our buyers the most on this car. One major thing is the fuel economy. It has exceptional fuel economy. You do get 47 miles per gallon. Many owners are surprised that you can run on this car 600 plus miles with a single gas tank, reducing fuel costs and trips to the gas station. A lot of people are surprised with luxury level features and amenities. You do get heated and ventilated seats on this vehicle and a 12.3-inch screen digital display. You also do get a heads-up display, which is really great. It does hook up to your Apple CarPlay, so if you are turning into any streets, I don't know if you're like me, I do miss a lot of exits on the highway. Also shows you your next exit on your heads-up display. That's one key feature that I really love about the Sonata. And a lot of nice features on this car, like panoramic sunroof, and you also do get the remote smart parking assist, which a lot of people don't think they get these type of features on this price point of the vehicle, which is great. People are really surprised with performance. The 192 combined horsepower the hybrid provides confident acceleration for everyday driving, delivering outstanding fuel efficiency. Overall, this vehicle gives you a great value. Many people expect to lose a lot of premium features, comfort, or technologies to get high fuel economy instead. The Sonata Hybrid Limited offers premium features, advanced safety technology, and lower operating costs in one vehicle, and less trips to the gas station.
Again, this is the 26 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid Limited. Overall, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Honestly, this car feels way more luxurious than the price point says. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.